To achieve the 45-degree diamond crosshatch sear, we must respect the thermal mass of the cooking vessel. We begin with a cold-pressed carbon steel surface, brought to precisely 232 degrees Celsius. By introducing the protein at a sharp diagonal, we maximize surface area contact and initiate the Maillard reaction across the primary axis. After 90 seconds, a precise 45-degree rotation creates the secondary sear lines, localizing heat to create the iconic diamond geometry. This is not merely visual branding, it is the physical manifestation of controlled dehydration and amino acid restructuring. Observe the lipid rendering the triglycerides are breaking down, releasing volatile aromatic compounds that characterize high-impact steak cookery. The sound you hear is the rapid evaporation of surface moisture, a thermodynamic signature of a perfect crust. Maintain a constant downward pressure of approximately 5 newtons to ensure uniform thermal conduction across the irregular topography of the muscle fibers.